Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the boot sound on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your Poco phone. Now from here just tap on My Account. Now from here just tap on Customize Theme. Now from here just tap on Boot Audio. Now from here you can select any audio you want to set as your boot sound. You can also set your favorite music as your boot sound. Now to do that, just tap on the plus icon at the lower right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on music. Now from here, just choose any music which is downloaded on your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now for this video, we will select this music. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, tap on OK. Now, once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now to check if we have successfully changed the boot sound of our smartphone, just press and hold on the power button. Now from here, just swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the boot sound on our Poco phone. And this is how you can change the boot sound on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.